E2E Product Management Governance Model version 8.0. This slide presents the complete end-to-end product management governance model version 8.0. The model covers the full product lifecycle from initial concept through active customer delivery and eventual sunset. Two time dimensions structure the flow: time to market, TTM, on the left, and time to customer, TTC, on the right. Governance scales proportionally to investment size and risk. TTM phases and decision points, left half. The TTM track has 3 phases separated by decision points: DPs, product and service design, leads to DP1, concept, confirms strategic fit, feasibility and sustainability score. Pricing and compliance, leads to DP2, commercial, validates the business case, pricing model and regulatory readiness. Market launch, leads to DP3, launch go/no-go, final approval before commercial launch. Each DP requires formal documentation and governance sign-off before progressing. TTC phases and sales decision points, right half. After DP3, the product enters the TTC track. Sales decision points, SPs, gate each transition. Order capture leads to SP1, order accept, confirms the order is valid, commercially approved, and ready for provisioning. Provisioning and delivery leads to SP2, service ready, validates that the service is technically provisioned and meets delivery criteria. Acceptance leads to SP3, customer accept, confirms customer sign-off on the delivered service. Support and lifecycle leads to SP4, health review, periodic lifecycle assessment covering margin, SLA performance, sustainability, and sunset/retirement evaluation. The SP gates ensure that each customer-facing milestone has explicit commercial and operational approval before progressing. Proportional governance tracks 3 governance track scale oversight to investment size and risk. Full track, greater than €250,000 CAPEX, all KPIs mandatory, portfolio board approval required, all veto rights active. Fast track, €50K to €250K delegated approvals, streamlined validation, standard configuration metrics. Scaled track, less than €50,000 minimal overhead, compliance index only, auto routing for approvals. The track is determined automatically based on CAPEX tier and vendor status, new versus existing. Functional veto rights, 3 functional veto holders can block progression at any DP or SP. Procurement veto, vendor costs, contract terms, and third-party SLAs. Risk veto, risk thresholds and compliance indices. Legal veto, regulatory metrics, data privacy, and contractual SLA compliance. If a veto is exercised, the 5-day escalation rule applies. Unresolved vetoes escalate to the portfolio owner after 5 business days. Agile/ART sync working KPIs are tracked in sprint/PI cycles. Metrics are promoted at PI boundaries. DPs and SPs align to the PI cadence to maintain traceability between Agile delivery and governance. 5 governance pillars, middle section 1. Risk, compliance, and escalation covers financial threshold breaches, strategic misalignment, compliance/legal risk, technical/operational risk, customer/reputational risk, and residual risk acceptance. 2. Change and portfolio governance handles change requests, major, minor, emergency, pricing updates, tech upgrades, fast-track governance, TTC to TTM feedback loops, and CAPEX competition/allocation. 3. Lifecycle governance manages the stage model, active, growth, maturity, decline, sunset, post-launch business case reviews, margin erosion monitoring, vendor cost audits, and the sunset/retirement process. 4. KPI and reporting framework organizes KPIs into 5 categories: Cat A, governance process; Cat B, financial/forecast; Cat C, launch/operational; Cat D, customer/lifecycle; Cat E, sustainability/ESG, with a Power BI governed dashboard. 5. Sustainability and ESG covers the sustainability score assessed at DP1 and SP4/SP4, energy efficiency, circular economy design, carbon footprint, scope 1 to 3, WE/ROSE compliance, and end-of-life environmental compliance. Governance forums, bottom bar, 4 forums provide oversight at different cadences. Portfolio Governance Board, monthly. Strategic decisions, gate approvals, veto escalations. Commercial and Finance Board, biweekly. Pricing, margin, and business case reviews. Executive Committee, quarterly. Portfolio level performance and strategic alignment. Roadmap review, quarterly. Product roadmap prioritization and resource allocation. Roles, bottom row, 9 functional roles participate across the model. Product management, commercial/sales, finance, network/IT, operations, legal, procurement, risk, and sustainability. Each role has defined responsibilities at each DP/SP gate and within each pillar. Key messages. Proportional governance ensures the right level of oversight without slowing down low-risk initiatives. DPs gate the TTM track, concept to launch. SPs gate the TTC track, order to lifecycle. The veto mechanism provides functional safeguards while the escalation rule prevents indefinite blocking. The 5 pillars ensure no governance dimension is overlooked. KPI categories create a balanced scorecard across process, financial, operational, customer, and sustainability dimensions.